Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming 3 essentials. Ps5 firmware is current, the Mirror bot client is installed on your companion device, and both are on the same fast network. Next, enable remote play and any required developer or third-party permissions on the Ps5. This lets Mirror bot access the console. Once done, link the devices using the code or QR that the app provides, and accept the pairing prompt on the Ps5. Now you configure the bot for real use. In the app, select Ps5 as the target, then import or create an input profile that maps controller buttons to the bot's commands. You'll want to calibrate analog sticks and dead zones so movement feels natural. This reduces drift and unexpected inputs. Test a short session to measure latency, then increase bitrate or switch to wired fallback if needed, because smooth timing matters for gameplay and menu navigation. You're ready to run a mirror session. Launch the bot, choose the saved profile for your game, and watch the overlay for latency or packet loss indicators. During play, switch profiles if you need different sensitivity or macro sets. Saving per game speeds this up. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and Ps5, then repair the devices. If problems persist, move to wired connection and check NAT/port settings. This fixes most connectivity and lag issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.